This is what happens when you abuse your equipment.
That is true. Guilty. They're meant to hammer, not to pry.
Bowles Paving will do anything to get a job done, up to and including breaking their equipment.
It's been rebuilt 3 times since we've had it.
Oh my gosh. Like the internals?
The internals, yeah. But I mean, it works great. It hits hard.
Well,
You just can't bend with it.
That's what happens is they're trying to pry.
Of course, now we'll be able to because we have some half-inch plate on there.
See how long it lasts.
Look at it. Whoa! Burning some rope. That's quicker than a grinder. Why do you take that practice swing?
To make sure nothing's in the way and everything's going.
Oh, I see. Like no burrs or anything?
Well, just to make sure the hose is not in the way and then I can drag it smoothly.
Oh, okay.
I do it when I'm weld too.
Ah. I should have known you had a plan. Yeah, we're gonna have to be doing something real long.
There you go, guys. No further supports. If you got the tools, fix it. Don't throw it away. Don't buy a new one. Just fix it. Keep on using it. Ain't that right?
That's right. Still does great. That'll work until we break it again.
There you go. Just be easy with it this time.
All right.
So he ripped the 1/4-inch steel apart where we fixed it once before. So this time we went back with a 1/2-inch steel plate and the 1/4-inch steel plate. Surely we won't break that.
Definitely not.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.